In this video, I will show you how to add Uber Pro card to Apple Wallet. So the first thing that you'll need to do is basically download the application Uber Pro card. Then go and open the application on your smartphone. From there, as an example, you can go and click on your wallet and you will be able to see the card. Select the three dots for more options and you can choose to add to Apple Wallet or add to Google Pay if you don't have an iPhone, depending on your device. As you can see, the process is very easily. And of course, this is an article showed by the helper site of Uber to be more certain about this. So as we said, all you need to do is just go and open the Uber Pro Card app, tap on Wallet tab, select the three dots for more option, and choose to add your Apple Wallet or choose to add a Google Pay depending on your device. Of course, make sure making your first purchase for security reasons, you can use the chip for, as an example, in your Uber Pro card when making your first purchase. After this initial transaction, you can begin using contactless payment for convenience. And remember, your Uber Pro card must be activated before attempting to add it to your digital wallet or making any purchases, because if it's not active, it will not be able to be added to your Apple Wallet, as an example, to use it in your purchases. As simple as that. Of course, not everyone may have the option to add Uber Pro card or even have one. So if you don't have that option, you might want to wait until it's available in your region because it's not available everywhere yet. And if you have any problems, example of the application, you can just go and try to update the Uber Pro card application so you avoid any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.